Okay? But sometimes, gusto natin na tayo-tayo lang yung sumuong sa path na yon. That's why, madami tayong na-experience and natatagalan tayo. Okay? Sabi dito, experience is the good teacher eh. It teaches us through mistakes, failures, and hard lessons. Okay? Pag ikaw lang. Okay? Sobrang hirap talaga. Okay? But the truth is, learning everything the hard way takes time. It takes a lot of energy and sometimes mga unnecessary losses. And ayokong mangyari yon sa road ko into achieving my goals and dreams in life. That's why I was so blessed na nandito ako sa Royals International Empire because I am guided until now by the experiences of the people na kasama ko, lalong-lalo na kina Ma'am Tanya, sa mga kasamahan ko sa council. And syempre, when you have mentors, a proven system, and the right community, you don't just learn from your mistakes. You learn from the wisdom of those people who have already succeeded. Kasi yung mga knowledge, yung mga learnings ng mga taong nakatawid na sa buhay, may natawid na sa buhay, may na-achieve na sa buhay, panigurado, wisdom na po ang meron sa kanila, hindi na lang po knowledge. 'Di ba? Instead of trial and error lang ang gagawin mo, you move with direction and confidence. Because alam ng mga taong to yung ginagawa nila eh. Alam nila kung ano yung in and out of the business. Alam nila kung ano yung first, second, third, next step. That's why yung experience nila, pag nakinig ka, instead of sayangin ko yung oras ko to do trial and error on my own, why not? Sundin ko na lang kung ano yung ginawa nila. Experience teaches you, but guided experience accelerates you.